how to use and express the vocabularies vomit, buccal discontenting, and difficult in genuine Cantonese and Kongtonese. 啲嘢呀我啃咁啊翻開嚟啦。The case of the food is difficult to choke through, so then one had better discontent it back out of the buccal cavity. 啲嘢呀我啃咁啊翻開嚟啦。In the case of the food difficult to choke through, so then one should discontent it back out of the buccal cavity. Vocabularies. The definite article, the, is related to the Malayo-Polynesian definite article. Ya means food. Ya means what thing. Ya means eat, eating, edible. When all together, it means food. Basically, one can interpret it, what thing is related to. Ya means eat, eating, edible. And so, ya describes and modifies or ngok. Both of them are the same word. That means difficult, hard. Kang, it means choke or be obstructed by solid material, especially at throat. The monosyllabic form, gum, the original disyllabic form, gamma. That means faithfully. So then, thus, therefore, in Cantonese, was borrowed from Bali, gamma. As a verb, it means to discontent the buccal cavity. This is one of the four forms derived from the ultimate root form, that means vomit. Within Cantonese and Kongtonese, the root word means vomit. In other Austro-Dacic languages, like Thai, Lao, Min languages. Note, the East Min languages would have a reduced form comparable to Cantonese one of the four forms. That's the common. Fan. As a verb, it means return. As a preposition, it means back. As a verb phrase, it means return back. High, far away from, lay. As a verb, it means to get to, reach, arrive. As a preposition, it means to, towards. As a verb phrase, it means to get to reach to arrive to. Note, the vowel of lay, a, is a monophthong. It doesn't have a vowel yi ending as it falsely claimed in Siniting instruction medium Yuet, sound dictation and distortion. And their fake academic records. Should that be diphthong, it would be lay. Note, that's not the word lay. That means come in Wu languages, and the genuine Cantonese vocabulary to express come is my, as in my lay. Loi is just the Siniting instruction medium Yuet Chinese sound distortion and dictation on the original sound lai, which was either borrowed or stolen from other indigenous languages into Middle Semitic instruction media. The Cantonese word that means come is my, as in my lay, which is related to Thai, Ma. Other Malayo-Polynesian and Austronesian languages, be that as Malay, Mali, post closer particle, the meanings range from most to should to had better. Here, in this instance, it's been shown different tonal pattern and how those affect the meanings. Accordingly, the high-level tonal pattern shows a higher degree of stress and mood, and while the initial consonant L makes it less stress and moody than the N instead. As an aftermath, the kind of degree of stress and mood would make the meaning closer to the meaning should. In the another case, with the middle level tonal pattern or even lower tonal patterns, it would have made the meaning closer to the meaning had better.